Hello and welcome back to the Like-Minded Investor Investing That Makes Sense. In this video, we are just briefly discussing the emotional roller coaster of the money markets. Okay, and I'm just going to show you a couple of slides, kind of briefly go over some things, but this really paints a picture of how the money moves through markets and their cycles. Okay. First of all, let's go to a slide over here. Okay. This is all of the emotions of the market. Okay, starting with optimism, the top of the market, euphoria. Okay, then you get into denial, fear, depression, panic, all the way down to depression. And then we start to get hopeful again. There's a little bit of relief and continue on, continue on. Now, this is where I kind of want you to erase everything in your brain and just listen to what I tell you and look at what I show you. Okay. Mirror this roller coaster. Okay. Life is all about ups and downs. We can all agree on that. Correct? It's good, then it's bad. Things happen. That's life. Okay. Mirror this strand, this gray strand, and intertwine it like a shoestring in here, meaning there's a high here. Okay. And a low here. And then take these bubbles in your brain and connect them to the one. I don't know if you can see that, but I can show you what it would look like. Human DNA. Okay. Now do you see it? These emotions are literally built into our DNA. And who puts money into the markets? The human beings with the DNA, right? Now, I am going to show you a picture of what it looks like in the markets. This is the same emotions, all of the emotions of the market. Okay. Hope, optimism, euphoria, complacency. We just need to cool off for the next rally. And this is where people get caught and they ride it all the way down. They get anxious, they deny things, they panic, they get angry, and then get depressed. The sad part is when people come to a loss in the market and they're down here and they panic, what's the term? They panic sold. That's what people do. Best place to get out clearly is euphoria, but we never know the bottom of the bottom and we never know the top of the top. Complacency. When it comes to retest, that is the best place to get out. I'm not going to get lost in that sauce, but let me go to a chart and show you what it looks like. The best ones that do it are tech stocks. They've completely gone through their cycle, I believe. If not, they are getting there. We'll go to ARK Invest. ARK Invest is actually a conglomerate ETF of all of tech and innovation. Okay. Let's just put this here. What do you guys see? Do you guys see hope? Do you see some optimism? Do you see euphoria, complacency, maybe a little bit of denial, anger? See, I think we're not done yet. We're definitely at anger, but we are not at depression yet. Okay. That big crash that everyone's been talking about, we're not there yet. And that's half of the reason why I've started this. I want to educate so that people can get in when the time is right and we can ride this huge roller coaster up again everywhere. But even if that doesn't happen, you have the ability to know when and where to get in and out of the markets. Guys, it's one big emotional roller coaster. But if you're educated, you know what to look for, you know how to research, and you know how to read these charts, it's a winning recipe. I'm proof of that. And I'm trying to make each and every one of you who are actually putting in the time to learn this proof of that as well. Once again, if you got any value from this, like, comment, subscribe, share, but most of all, watch it over until it sinks in. And then we'll see you in the next video.